on a 33-piece set, Bluepoint half-inch drive set. Comes in a pretty decent box. Okay, this is all half-inch drive. Got a nice, heavy, decent ratchet. Comes with a 10-inch extension bar, and your sockets go from 12mm to 24mm. And on this side, 3/8 to 1.25 inches. Seems very well made. And on this side, you have a 15-inch breaker bar, a 3-inch extension, a 6-inch extension, and a universal joint. And this pops out, I guess, a kneeling pad or whatnot. So just wanted to give you an idea of what's inside this. And the set is BLP GSS 1233, and you can get it from either Bluepoint.com or Snap-on.com or a Snap-on dealer. Thank you.